In today's video, I am going to teach you how to save website in Wix. When you are working inside the Wix editor, it is helpful to know how your changes are being saved and how to create a manual saved version when you want extra control. This is especially useful if you are about to make a big design change and want to preserve your current layout first. To begin, look to the top area of the Wix editor. In the left-hand corner of the top application banner, near your site project title, you will see a small cloud icon with a check mark. This icon is important because it shows the save status of your website. If you are editing your site and want to confirm that your work has been saved, this is the place to check. It gives you a quick visual indicator that Wix is tracking your changes in the editor. For many users, this is the easiest way to make sure their work is secure while they continue building the site. It is a good habit to glance at this area from time to time, especially after making updates to text, images, sections, or layout elements. That way, you can feel more confident that your recent edits have been captured. If you want to manually save a specific version of your site before making major changes, go to the top menu and click Site. From there, move your cursor over Site History. A submenu will appear. In that submenu, click Save a Version. This option is very helpful when you want to freeze a particular stage of your design work. For example, if you are happy with the current version of your homepage or overall layout, saving a version gives you a restore point before you begin a larger rebuild. It adds an extra layer of protection and makes it easier to go back if needed later. So the key things to remember are these. First, check the small cloud icon with the check mark near your site title to monitor save status. Second, if you want to manually preserve a milestone in your design, open the Site menu, hover over Site History, and select Save a Version. That is the full process for saving your website in Wix and preserving a version when needed. That covers everything you need to know.